Hughes Heating and Air Conditioning is a full-service company with expert advice for all your heating and air conditioning needs. Some services include central heating and air conditioning installation, ductless systems, boiler install and repair, oil to gas conversion, custom sheet metal fabrication, light commercial rooftop service. Hughes offers free estimates and emergency assistance for all your residential and commercial service. Call today to set up an appointment with one of our experienced technicians. For more information, visit us online at www.hughesheatac.com.